In this video, we will generate the trend line and polynomial of tangent and its infinite product series expansion. We begin with the dataset of tangent. Array formula. Tangent of the x values negative 1.4 to positive 1.4. And the expansion, which is x times product of 1 minus x over pi n squared divided by 1 minus pi times n minus 0.5 quantity square, where value of n starts from 1 to infinity. 9 is good enough. Now we generate this expansion. This is equal to array formula. We'll start with the numerator. It is the numerator will be 1 minus x squared. X squared. Well, this can be x over pi n squared. So x over pi times n. And this is quantity squared. Quantity squared. That's the numerator. Now the denominator. So we isolate the numerator part. That this portion is the numerator. We just completed the numerator. Now the denominator, which is it's the same except that n is now n minus 0.5. So we copy the entire numerator. Copy and paste and enter. But the value of n here is n minus 0.5, so we modify. So this will be n minus 0.5. This will be n minus 0.5. And enter. Now we can complete the product expansion. So x times product of these values. Then enter. And we'll chart it. And we drag this downward and we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart. Column A is label, row 1 as header, and show the trend line. Under series, hit the trend line, the type polynomial, the degree, let's try 10, it doesn't work, so try 8. And for the label, use the equation. So here's our trend line and polynomial. You will notice that the lines are collinear and the polynomial regression coefficients are the same. That's 0, 0.967, 0, 0.701, this one is 0.699, 0 again, negative 0.752, negative 0.751, 0.623, 0.622, x to the 7, 0, x to the 8. So this completes the use of the product series, infinite product series, to generate the trend line and polynomial of tangent.